Hello everybody and welcome back. This video is my attempt to find the best settings for night hyperlapses with the Mavic 2 Pro. All the hyperlapse sequences in this video are straight from the camera and no post-production has been applied. To keep it relevant, I tried to shoot in the same location during the same time frame, keeping a constant height of 45 meters and a speed of 1.8 kilometers per hour. Then I juggled with the settings, changing the ISO, aperture and the shutter speed. Depending on the result you want to have, a slower shutter speed creates more motion blur and gives a more dramatic effect to your hyperlapse, while a faster shutter freezes the scene and shows less motion blur. For my night scenes and with the specific lighting conditions from that location, having a shutter slower than 1/2 of a second resulted in a nice light trail of the passing cars while keeping a low ISO number, thus less noise. What I am trying to say is there are no best settings. There are many variables on this equation. It depends on the height, speed and lighting conditions from the particular location you are shooting. My recommendation is to take a couple of stills and see if the motion blur suits your liking and then start the hyperlapse. I hope you find this useful. Thanks for watching.